Hey YouTube, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subs, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. It's an overcast day, still a gorgeous day nonetheless, and I was not going to be able to get any quiet time in my spot today. The babies are there, so while their dad is there, I decided to take a break and record. Got my Starbucks white chocolate mocha extra hot, and I keep forgetting how sweet these things are, and I had to put whipped cream in it, so I'm gonna have to cut down on these because I'm already pre-diabetic, and I'm trying to cut down on my sugar so I won't go through withdrawals. So anyway, enough of that. I got a collective haul for you guys. It's from Michael's and Tuesday morning, and it wasn't that much I got from Michael's. I'm on my TN creation kick right now, so I got these single sheets to try and do a pretty decent one to go in my Etsy shop. Hopefully I like it enough to do that. This is one of the sheets. This is from, and that's a car starting up, of course. Yes, you know how it is. It was quiet for a minute, then it starts. But it's around lunchtime anyway. So anyway, this is from their open stock, and I just love these sheets here. I've been looking at them for quite some time, but you know, these were like $2 each, so I said, nah, I'll wait till they're on sale. And they were on sale 7 for $10, so that made them like $1 and some change. And then I had a 20 or 25% off coupon, even off of sale stuff, so I got even more off of these sheets. So that's really cool. Love these so much. And I thought I had gotten 2 of those. I may have, but I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. But I did get 2 of this. This is one of my favorite sheets right here. Love this one as well. Love these macaroons on this one. And this is the one that's my absolute favorite. I've been trying to get back and get these sheets forever. So I finally got them. Is there any glare-ish? Is that upside down or right side up? Let's do it this way. How about that? I don't even know, but there it is. I love these sheets. And I know I got some other stuff from Michael's. I don't know what it is. If I come across it, I'll let you guys know. But if I don't, yeah, I will get over it. And I'll be pissed about it later. But this is one of the things I got from Tuesday morning. I got this thing. And it's actually for my daughter-in-law. It's the Sizzix card making and embossing machine. And I'm hoping that it will use the thinlits and cut those. I've seen some tutorials on YouTube here that, you know, you have to stack a few shims, or I think that's what they call them, in order to be able to cut your thinlet dies, but it will cut. So we're gonna try this. I have a cuddle kit long time ago, before that was probably the last one that Michael's ever had in their store, and I got it for my grandchildren, and I never gave it to them to use, so I use it now for my thinlits, and it cuts perfectly. So maybe if I can use the plates for that, I'm gonna try and see if the plates for that will fit in here, so that she can cut until she can get her own. But this came from Tuesday morning, and let's see, these are they're everywhere, so that is the SKU number right there. Give me a second. This is it right here. And it's silver, and I don't know what else. I think that just says "Be Happy." Love, some dots, some jewels, you know, that type of thing. And that is the SKU, which I don't think this is a big deal, but if you're looking for this, then here it is. It's called "Be Happy." I'm trying to remember what it was that I got from Michael's. I can't remember. Anyway, I went specifically looking for these things, and I got them. I am so happy, so happy. I had my daughter-in-law to Google or you know, do our map quest, the Tuesday morning that was nearest to us, and they had them. Oh my God, I am so happy. But this is the SKU on that one. I hope you can see it. This one is Crafter's Companion. Does it have a name? It just says one piece, unless I am missing the name. What is that? Trellis. Something trellis. CCN something trellis. So anyway, we're gonna leave that trellis right there. And this is another one. And guys, I went after I paid for everything and I got back to the car, I counted them, and I think the lady, she didn't charge me for 2 of these dies because I think they were stuck like this. They were like really jam-packed, so it's like just thinking she was just thought it was one die. But yeah, so this one is, let's see, this one is Amore. Is Amore? Amore. And that's the SKU for Amore. And this one is called Poppy. Beautiful butterflies. And that's the SKU on that one. This one is But. Okay. And these are the butterfly end pieces, corner pieces. And it's the SKU. There we go. That's the SKU on that one. See, like this one is stuck together. That's how I think it was. This one is Floor. It says flower, but I'm gonna say floor. And there's the SKU on that one. It's really pretty. And this one is Sea Brown. I have no clue what that means. And there's the SKU for that one. Then I went to wait a minute, I'm not done. I thought I was done. I'm not done. See how these are kind of stuck together? And I think these were the 2 that were stuck. And I think this one actually has 3. Yeah, see what I'm talking about? So this one says happy birthday. And that's the SKU on that one. This one is the bicycle. And that's the SKU on that one. This one is another happy birthday. I think the 2 happy birthdays were stuck together. Like that. And as a matter of fact, when I pulled them off the thing, they were stuck like that. And let's see about this one. Here we go. This one is the park bench. See, that's the SKU on the park bench. There's the park bench. And this lock and key. And that's the, can we get it? That's okay, now, just so you guys know, all of this stuff did not come from one single Tuesday morning. I went to about 4 different Tuesday mornings, maybe even 5. But I just wanted to put that out there real quick. But anyway, I got this one. I found this one. Let's see if we can get the SKU in there. There we go. And actually I bought 2 of these. I don't know if I'm going to give it to my daughter-in-law, if I'm going to put it in the giveaway. I don't know yet. But anyway, I was looking for this one. I was looking for the Jane Hatfield or Hatsfield one with the Polaroid. And it was one with the gift card holder with the bow. So if you guys can find those 2 of those, 3. The Hatfield one with the Polaroid one and the gift card holder with the bow. Get it for me. Let me know. I'll pay you for it. I got PayPal. We can do that. Because I am seriously looking for those. Anyway, I got this one. What is this? Just says shape dies. So, like I said, I got 2 of these. And this right here I bought. Let me put the SKU up here. And I didn't buy this to keep. I actually bought this to put in, let me see, when I do the TN that I really like, that I want to sell in my Etsy shop, I bought this to go in there. Punch. And I love punches. Yeah, love them, love them. So I got this 2-edge punch. So it'll punch this whole thing like this, or it'll just punch that. So I think this is going to be really cute when I'm doing my niece's wedding album. I got these recipe cards. It just had 10 in there. I don't know why they would just do 10, knowing recipe, yeah. But anyway, I really do like these. If I see another pack, I'll probably get them. I got this one too, not to keep. Another one to go in with a TN that I may sell. And this is the last die I got. Yeah, we have people out. Yeah. Remember in the earlier part of the video I said I had purchased more stuff from Michael's and couldn't remember what it was? Well, once I got back to my spot, I found it. So, because of the noise factor up there, I had to come in the car and film the rest of this, or the continuation. So it's not a lot, but I just want to share it with you guys. And so forgive me for other noises and things of that nature. Okay, I got 2 of these little backpacks. They were 80% off, so they were like $2 and some change. And I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with one of them at least when I come back, well, at the end of the video. And this is a cute little mint green one and a pink one. Just a little bitty backpack. I made sure that the zippers work on both. I got, let's see what's in this thing. I think this right here came from Home Goods. And let's see. Yeah, Home Goods. I got a box of tea. Iced Citrus Bliss. I have this candle and it smells so good to me. This is a green tea one. Sensational candle. And I love that rose gold top, or is that bronze? And I bought these little bags of lemon honey spoons for the tea. And let's see what else is here. And I got, this stuff is from Dollar Tree, of course. I got some tissue paper, gift tissue. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to explain that to you in just a second, which you all probably know already with this. Bam. I got the shrink wrap bow. What's that? Pool bowl. I got this decorative shred in white. I picked up this little notebook, Espresso Yourself, and it's just a lined little notebook that I thought was really cute. And this green basket right here. Now, the reason why I got this is because I'm doing a giveaway on my channel. I'll link the video below. And as opposed to me just putting this stuff in a box and sending it to somebody, I'm going to turn it into a gift basket. And this backpack right here is going to be part of it. So, and I still may find or look for a few little things to go in the gift basket. And this is the basket itself. So, wish me luck on that. The giveaway ends on the, I think it's the 15th. Don't hold me to that. Look at the video and it'll tell you. And what I'm going to do with this little pink one, I have no clue. I just thought it was cute. It was $2. Hey, I mean, you just can't beat it. For the price, you just can't beat it. Okay, now for real. I'm so happy that you took time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All of your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I see all of my love bugs in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.